Welcome to another video on my channel. You can make anything. In this video, I'm going to be trying to solve this Rubik's Cube in under a minute, hopefully, and just to prove it's not like preset, just gonna randomly scramble it around a bit. And yeah, wish me luck. I have a timer and everything, so we can keep track of the time. Alright, I guess, go. Oh my gosh, that was only 30 seconds. Oh my gosh. It's not what I expected, but that is a personal best for me. Wow. Alright then. Wow, I was hoping to get under a minute, but under 30 seconds is even better. Alright, well, don't forget to like and subscribe and comment. Wow. Alright, bye.